Okay, now this is a cake you wouldn't want to transport. You'd have to do this when you got there because that's a little sketchy. So it's still kind of drying, so I need to be kind of careful moving it around. So what I want to do is go ahead and paint my coins. Make a paint out of this. Pick up my coin and just paint, 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 paint. Sometimes it's easier to paint all the edges like this and then put it, well, I can actually paint it all like this, holding it. But sometimes I finish painting it when it's actually down on the cake. Let's see. If I just take a little bit of water, let me just put one up right here. Okay, that'll stick. Okay, well that's painted. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the blue fondant, kind of roll this out. So what I want to end up doing is writing Happy Hanukkah on this. So we'll make a rectangle. And then I want to roll this up. Kind of roll this up and kind of pull this out. I'm going to just pop it down here. Okay, and then I'll take my white royal icing. Okay, Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. Let that sit. While I'm waiting for that to sit, I can go ahead and paint this down here. So I have a smaller brush. And I just dip it in the same gold, and we'll just kind of come around the edge here. It's actually better if you're kind of at an angle at the side. We're just going to do it real lightly so some of the white still shows through. Alright, so we just have the top. Slightly go over this. So I thought I'd just do a little trim down here and maybe a little up here. Okay, and there we go. Our Hanukkah cake. Now what we could have done is, and I actually brought it to do it, is take some yellow buttercream and stripe a bag with some red in it and actually pipe some flames. But looking at it, I really didn't want to, I feel like it'll ruin it almost if I do that. So I just kind of like the way it looks, you know, all the colors. If you throw in the yellow red, I think it'll kind of throw it off a little bit, but if you did want to do that, you'd use like a tip 16, which is the star tip, to make little flames on the ends of these. Okay, so this is the full look around. Happy Hanukkah to everyone, and hopefully I've done this cake some justice. I've learned a lot, I know that.